RPM. Or is it pronounced RPM? What's up, everybody? We're back in the garage today doing some work on the 2026 Polaris Pro R. Who am I? Oh, well, first of all, this is the Hoover Maneuvers channel, and my name is Dean Hoover, and we're going to be doing some maneuvers for you today. So, RPM Powersports, great friend of the channel. I've got a few RPM goodies on here for sure, and we're going to add some more today. And what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about air. Good old air. Air is boring, right? Well, not really. Do these look boring to you? They're freaking massive. They're huge. Look at that. Huge. What are those for, you ask? Oh, well, let me show you. So here is your air intake on the Pro R. And air comes in here, air comes in here, and then it goes through this tube right here. Look how fat that is. Well, now take another look. Look how skinny it is. Look how puckered in it is right here. It's literally like 1.5 inches thick is all right here. And then feeds into the air box. Oh, air box. How do you know it's an air box? Well, I know it's an air box because it's a big box of air and it has a filter in it. So here's where the air comes in, and then from there it comes out and it feeds into the throttle body of the engine right there through this little flimsy thing that necks down really, really small. Look at that. Look how small that is. All right, so to make things a little more exciting, we're going to put these pretty blue silicone tubes in there that are huge. They're huge. They're massive. So not a difficult install, basically a few hose clamps, and you guys can do it at home in just a few minutes. Let me get these off. We're going to put up here side by side, and you see, oh, what is that? There's an extra one. Where does that go? Okay, well, this thing, I guess I could use it to talk to. Does that sound different? I know, quit being stupid. That is going to go down here. This is for your CVT exhaust, where this big old honking thing is right here. But don't you need that? Well, so you got this big thing coming out, and it spits out right here, and that's where your little chunks of belt come out when you break a belt. I have not broken a belt yet. So we're going to replace with that piece, and it's going to go right here and just kind of flip around and not have all this junk in the way. So anyway, let me take these old boots off so I can put them side by side with the new boots. So you guys can decide for yourself which one would you rather have. Okay, now I got a big old void in the engine right here. And you can tell that one's off too. It's off the throttle body. So now I can show you guys the difference between these tubes. Okay, here's the one down here. Here's the one that goes to the throttle body. Here's the original one. And look at the size difference to that one. Granted, these have to be the same size. These have to be the same size. But look at the volume in this and that. Look how soft. This is nice and hard. Attention to detail. Look at the dent here from the factory. RPM puts the same dent in right there, so you got room to look, room to fit. You got your PCV ports here. That'll get plugged off when I put my catch can in. But which one do you think is going to flow better? I think that one will, right there. So that's that one. Now look at this one. Here's the stock side. This is where the air comes in before the filter. And remember how skinny I said that thing was? That's skinny. This is by comparison. So this is going to flow much, much better. I mean, look at that, tight bends and everything. This one, nice, smooth. This is going to do the trick. Oh, what else? Hose clamps compared to these clamps. These are way more stout. So ask yourself, which one would you rather have? Okay, we are done. Look at those things. Massive, massive. Do I call them boost tubes? Not really a boost tube, but definitely got a lot of air coming in now. Look at that. Clears the shock. All kinds of room right there. Let's see how it looks from the side. Massive. Look at that. Looks great too. You see that one right there. New air filter. I like it. I like it. And the bonus one right here. Got my shorty exhaust tube on right there. That's for the clutch cover. Exhaust comes out of there. And they're really good. They give you a clamp right here because that clamp always breaks. So I got this clamp to hold the wiring. That way this doesn't get into the clutch or into the header or anything. So they're all on there. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Thanks for following along. RPM They've got a lot of good stuff, high quality stuff. Jason over there is a good dude. Upcoming projects. Well, hey, reminder, this car is going to be at the Sandsport Super Show. It's going to sit in the Hostile Wheels booth. I'll be around there a lot, so make sure you guys come check it out. There'll be more videos before then, but I've got something that's going to go in this area right here. And it's not what you think. It doesn't have anything to do with that right there. It's called a SB particle filter. Yes. So this is going to go in there. This tucks up in the fender well. Very nice. Air intake right there. It's going to look really awesome. And I got more surprises coming. I got some blingy stuff coming right here. It's going to fill in this space right here. There's going to be like a little radiator looking thing right here. It's going to be some exposed beltage going on right here. And it's going to have more power than a Pro R Boost. So you guys can probably guess what it is. That's coming up real soon too. Hey, thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. I'll be at the Arm Drop Drags at Oceano Dunes October 22nd. Maybe I'll see you guys out there. Wow, good stuff. Lots more stuff to come. Hey, we'll see you guys in the next video.